Hey everybody, this is Francis Serrano from 413 Media Group, and today is another episode of Bayani Talk. Hey everybody, this is Francis Serrano from 413 Media Group, and today's another episode of Bayani Talk, and today we're doing another unboxing. So this time it's a little different because this time I actually joined an auction through the WatchGang Exchange official page. Now, when you join WatchGang, you're actually allowed to join this club where you can actually sell and trade or buy in this group. And then because everybody is vetted there, you need to put a special code to even sell anything. You have a little bit more of a peace of mind. And then the people that you deal with tends to be you tend to have a little bit more security, and you feel a little safer because of it. But today I am showcasing an unboxing of something that I got through the auction, and here's the video. Okay, guys, this is the package that I got. It came in today. I thought it was actually going to come in tomorrow, but hey, I'm not complaining. Thank you, USPS. I know it's hard for you guys right now. I know some really great people who are postal workers, so you guys got my support and my love all the time. All right, so just unboxing this now. There we go. Wow, really well packaged, Brad. Thanks, brother. There we go. Okay, so that's open. Putting the knife away, always for safety. Opening it up. Oh, look at this. Paper towels. Look at that. Really well insulated. That means the package. Oh my goodness, this package is really, really safe. And he knows that paper towels is a shortage. So thanks for the extra paper towels, brother. I really appreciate it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Now, let me put this away. Can y'all see that? All right. It's a Melbourne. Let's just open it and I'll talk more about it later. Oh, look at this case. Oh, and it opens up over here. Alright, so the box is now open. And now, oh my goodness. This is like the best case I've ever gotten for any watch. Oh, and more paper towel. Look, oh my goodness. Now, of course, this is a used watch, and so this is not necessarily brand new, but it's brand new to me, and that's all that matters. Oh, look at that. Genuine leather. Oh, please fit, please fit, please fit. And folks, it fits. Wow. Hold on. Well, folks, it looks so awesome. Oh my gosh, I am... Okay, so the reason why I bought this, let me just kind of tilt this a little bit. The reason why I bought this was because the very first watch I got from WatchGang was a Melbourne. Let me go get it right now. This is my very first watch from WatchGang, and honestly, I had a chance to trade this just because I wanted to check it out. But honestly, I just fell in love with it. I just think it's built well. It's simple. It's not too heavy, and so I just love the Melbourne brand. And so now, so when this was being auctioned, I actually didn't bid on it because I was a little hesitant. And then I talked to the guy selling it, Brandon. Brandon, talked to me about it, and then we negotiated a little bit of a price, and then even then I was still afraid to pull the trigger. and I even backed off at a certain point. But Brandon was so patient with me that I told him, you know what, let's do it. I wanted it. I wanted it. I work hard, and now I got it. And I must admit, guys, it looks very beautiful. Leather strap, white face, with a blue accent on the timepiece. I'm loving this. This is by far a very beautiful watch. So to the guy who sold this to me, and I'm just make sure I want to say his name correctly. To Mr. Brandon Evans, if you ever have a chance to either purchase or sell something to him, he is a great guy. He not only was he prompt in everything, he was completely patient with me, and he mailed it out in the exact same time that he said he was going to mail it out. And he said he was actually going to come tomorrow, but it actually came today. So I ain't mad at you, Brandon. Thank you very much. Great purchase. Very, very happy. And if you ever have another auction and you have a Melbourne, I'll definitely take a look at it. All right, guys. My name is Francis Serrano from 413 Media Group. Today's another episode of Bayani Talk. Peace out. God bless, and keep swinging them sticks.